What's up, YouTube friends? Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy bubble pizza. I've heard about this for years and I've never really tried it. Once I've tried it, it's made it into my monthly meal rotations. This is super easy to put together. You can top it any way that you want. But the star of the show are these Rhodes biscuits. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray my 9x13 pan. And then I'm just going to put a layer of these Rhodes rolls on the bottom. So maybe 20 per pizza. Next, I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over here. Now I will end up putting quite a bit of olive oil on this bread dough when I'm done. It gives it a nice focaccia flavor, which I really enjoy. And then just for some extra flavoring, I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning to my dough. And that's just going to rise up and get all in there. Oh! So now I'm just going to cover this with a greased piece of plastic. I just sprayed it with my Pam. And now I'm just going to cover this and let it rise. And in the meantime, I'm just going to brown my pound of hamburger. You can use whatever toppings you like on your pizza, but I'm just going to add a bit of onion, some garlic, as well as some Italian seasoning and salt and pepper, and I'll get this browned up. All right, here's how it looks after about 3 to 5 hours. They have doubled, if not tripled, in size. So now all I'm going to do with my clean hands is just push them down. And see all that olive oil in there? I am going to put just a little bit more of the Italian seasoning on here, though. Just a little bit. And now we're just going to top it with our favorite toppings. So first I'm going to sauce it. I'm probably going to put this whole can. It does look like a lot of sauce, but you need it. These will puff up more. And next I'm just going to add up my pre-browned hamburger. This just has a little bit of onion and garlic in it. Now I'm just going to add my olives and my mushrooms. So now the good stuff, the cheese. I have a 1 pound bag here. We'll see how much I use. I like a lot of cheese on my pizzas. So that was about 3 cups. And then just for some extra cheesiness, I'm going to put a little bit of the Parmesan on here. And just a little more Italian seasoning. Just a little bit. So now you just need to pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. And so I'm going to clean up my mess, and I'll bring it back when we're ready to eat. Alright guys, so it is finished. Mother is out watching the news and on the phone, yapping away. So I had to come into my sewing room. But I did cut a big piece so you guys can see what it looks like. Now this is probably one of my favorite ways to make pizza. It's very quick, very easy, and very delicious. So I'm going to serve this with a side salad and call it a meal. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below, hit that big red subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.